So guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long minute since we did a product introduction and installation. If you're new to the channel, if you guys been watching our previous videos, we've moved now to Elite 2.0. This is where we're gonna be hosting our meet next week. Hopefully this video drops by next week. So it's a little bit smaller than an old shop. We're still waiting for a new spot at AFD. So maybe the next 2 months we'll be moving again. But in the meantime, we'll be filming here at the new Elite. So if you guys need alignments and wraps and tints, look. That is Kevin. He also tints cars here. And then here's Danny. But yeah, guys, so today we'll be introducing our brand new V3 Fender Flares. You guys don't know, the V1 Fender Flares that we've been selling for the past couple of years, it is the hottest item, one of the hottest items for the VB. So we have a brand new TS. Is this TS? Ooh, yes, we have a brand new TS here, World Alley Blue, with the new digital analog. Super nice. By the way, 0 APR, guys, if you don't know, on a brand new WRX. So Danny, if you want to upgrade your wide body, you can get a 0 PR. But anyway, guys, so you guys know we have the V1 Fender Flares, so this will be the new V3 Fender Flares. These are a little bit different as far as the way we apply it on and the way it looks. V1, before you see, is still color match, 10mm wider and bolt on. With these are just stick-on covers. So you don't remove anything on, you just literally just go over the stock. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, install this, which is pretty straightforward. This is also 2mm more aggressive. So slight little push. But again, this is a very OEM Plus mod. For those that don't want to spend too much money on our V1, which I don't think is that expensive, but this is a little bit better budget friendly for the Fender Flares. So in the package, before I forget, guys, you get 4 adhesive promoter tubes, 1 for each corner of the car, okay? There's a lot, okay? This will determine if your flares will stick on or not. I'm just kidding, it will, but this will definitely help it apply on. So 1, 2, 3 in the front and then 2 pieces in the back. And let me show you guys the product. Look at this. Everything is wrapped up. I'll show you one side and then this will be the driver's side rear. Look how we pack everything, guys. Boom, look at this, guys. Inside is all pre-applied. A little bit difference from the rear. Look, we have a custom vent now. Previous ones, right, the V1s, you have a vent going through, but obviously there's covers, so this will cover your reflective lights. So if you have any like aftermarket ones, it's gonna be covered. But other than that, guys, the color match is still beautiful. You know, this is like I guess like a straight stick on. So you literally, right, open it up. You don't need to take off any clips, guys. You don't remove anything. This is really easy. If you really mess this up, then I don't know what to say, but it's pretty straightforward. See, you stick it on. Boom, just like that. Before we start, make sure you clean the car, okay? I'm gonna use alcohol wipe, clean everything, put the adhesive promoter, and stick it on. So there's actually more than 8 pieces. So you have the front bumper piece. So this is optional if you want it or not. Just don't want it. Some people like with it, but I gotta take the lip off on this. But this goes over here, and you have another piece here. That's 2 pieces, the whole fender piece, and then for the back. So installation is still straightforward. Just doing double sided tape. So let's get started. Just like that, I just finished one corner, the driver's side front. Pretty straightforward. Now, in case that you do mess up the alignment, right, or you sit a little bit too low, I would take your time, pull it back, and you might need to reapply the tape, okay? So just take your time on it, right? Don't rush it, make sure everything's lined up with the line, and if you have a lip like I do here, I mounted it under already, you're just gonna have to redo your screws because you're adding another layer of cover over this. But everything like that is straightforward, so we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest. All right guys, I just finished the rears in 5 minutes. Do apply on, do take your time. I got everything on. It does stick out a little bit, so this is, say 3mm, give or take. It gets the job done, right? This is a little bit more budget friendly than the V1s, so it's just as nice. All right guys, and also you get the custom vents. Like I said earlier, your factory reflectors will be covered, but this matches the front. So, all right guys, I'm gonna do the other side. We'll bring it out and let's see what it looks like. And I like to do a door test to see the clearance. Perfect fitment every time. Here it is, the final visual and look. As you can see guys, it is transformed just like the V1 flares. The V3 is much easier to install. I literally just peel the tape, clean it up, apply the adhesive promoter, and slapped it on. So these are available guys and in stock on the website. I believe some colors are sold out. But yeah guys, you get the rear vents, 3mm. Does make a little bulkier look in my opinion. But the color match looks fire. But if you're interested guys, make sure to check the link below. And we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.